Hello. He's let me get quite close. And Charlie's in the guava tree. She just answered back hello. Oh my goodness, how gorgeous. This is the closest I've been to my king parrot visitor. He's watching us. He's watching me, I mean. Hello, beautiful boy. How are you? Oh, getting ready to fly away. Okay, I won't come any closer. You're a gorgeous boy. Where's your wife? Where is your mate? I haven't seen her. She's sitting on a nest somewhere. He doesn't chase the bird away. Where's Charlie? Charlie. I can hear her. I can hear. Oh, there she is. Look, Charlie, in the other tree, you've got a visitor. You've got the king parrot visitor. Look, he's staring over at him. Oh, he's a handsome bird. He's a handsome bird. Look at him. He's got a little Indian myna visitor as well. And he's off. Well, come, Charlie. Come. It's nearly birdie bedtime anyway. It's nearly birdie num time. It's getting late. But we got a little bit of a video of the king parrot. Yes, we did. I'm very lucky. That was very special, that was. He let us get fairly close. Mummy was only about 6 feet away. Look at my poor little... They're meant to be giant sunflowers. I think I was robbed. But anyway, they're trying to push out little flowers. It's better than nothing. Oh well, that's our video of the king parrot. And Bobo was a good boy, didn't chase him away. Good afternoon from Sacred Space.